Vaillant ecoTEC Plus 825 Combi Gas Boiler Review from Hometree. Welcome to Hometree, home of the stress-free boiler installation. Looking for a boiler replacement? Or just want to know about this Vaillant Combi boiler? Hometree Heating Experts have all of the information you need to find out which is the best new boiler for you. This is a review of the Vaillant ecoTEC Plus 825 Combi boiler model, which we hope gives you enough information to make an educated decision when weighing up the best combi boiler brands and models to find the most suitable boiler replacement for your central heating and hot water needs. At Hometree, we can find the best new boiler for your needs in just 90 seconds by asking simple questions about your home, either online or over the phone, getting a new boiler installed within 7 days. Just visit hometree.co.uk to find the new ideal boiler for your home and get your new boiler cost. The Vaillant ecoTEC Plus 825 is a Combi Gas boiler. Your home may require a combi boiler, a system boiler, or a regular boiler. To find out which, contact Hometree today. Is the Vaillant ecoTEC Plus 825 suitable for my home? This boiler offers a central heating output of 18.3 kilowatts and a hot water output of 25 kilowatts. In real terms, this boiler will be suitable for your home if you have up to 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom with 1 shower installed. This boiler can power up to 12 or 13 radiators. You will also benefit from a Vaillant 825 flow rate of 10.5 litres per minute, which offers you a great heating and hot shower experience if your home has 1 shower. Can I trust Vaillant as a manufacturer? Vaillant is currently Europe's second largest boiler manufacturer. They are renowned for their development of environmentally friendly products with innovations in quiet design features. The Which verdict gives a brand score of 80% and states that this is one of the best boiler brands you can buy. They consider the brand a best buy. Which customers have given it 5 stars. They praise the fact that the boiler does not require a hot water cylinder or cold water tank in the loft. Vaillant's ecoTEC Plus range of combi boilers provide almost instant hot water to your tap or shower from the mains water supply. All in all, Vaillant makes fantastic boilers and have a good reliability record. Looking for energy efficient boilers? The Vaillant ecoTEC Plus 825 Combi is an efficient, high-performance boiler and as such is ERP A rated with an energy efficiency rating of 89.3%. By replacing your old boiler with a new energy-efficient boiler, you'll make savings on your energy bill of 30%, as well as doing your bit for the environment by reducing carbon emissions. What size is the Vaillant ecoTEC Plus 825? Will this fit in my home? The Vaillant ecoTEC Plus 825 measures at 720, 440 and 330 millimeters, which isn't the most compact in terms of new boiler sizes, so it probably won't fit in that little cupboard in your kitchen. If space is tight, you might need to look into a more compact boiler, and Hometree Heating Experts can help you look at the options available to you. How long is the boiler warranty of a Vaillant Combi boiler? The warranty you receive with the installation of a Vaillant boiler will vary depending on who you get to install it for you. Each Vaillant boiler model from the ecoTEC range comes with a standard 5-year warranty. But if Hometree installs your boiler, you will benefit from an extended warranty of 10 years of peace of mind. Boilers usually last for 10 to 15 years, so you won't have to think about replacing your boiler again for some time. What controls come with the Vaillant ecoTEC Plus 825? Like most combi boilers, the Vaillant ecoTEC Plus 825 has a standard heating control panel installed on the front of the boiler, hidden away by a flap. The boiler controls allow you to increase or decrease the output of the boiler, as well as switching the boiler on or off. If anything were to go wrong with the boiler, the Vaillant display on most of their gas combi boilers shows a fault code, which means that you can discover the problem and the solution without an engineer having to actually open up the boiler and investigate. Modern boilers are generally easier to diagnose, which reduces call-out fees. The build of this Vaillant Combi boiler itself is also relatively simple, which makes replacing components and parts easier. The controls installed in the boiler won't allow you to take full advantage of your central heating system, as a smart thermostat can. This modern and technology-driven alternative to the traditional programmable Vaillant thermostat allows you to control your heating and hot water from your smartphone. Smart thermostats can turn your heating on and off as you leave or approach home. A smart thermostat means a smart boiler, so all Hometree boiler installations come with a free smart thermostat. If you're interested in the Vaillant ecoTEC Plus 825 or just need some help to find your ideal boiler, Hometree offers this boiler and others complete with installation, a smart thermostat, a 10-year warranty and a range of flexible finance options. At Hometree, we know that a warm home is too important for a broken boiler to get in the way. Visit hometree.co.uk to find your ideal boiler.